Are you looking for a very good soap to glow your skin, to brighten your skin? A soap that will clear dark spots on your skin or your face. A soap that will clear acne on your face. A soap that will improve your skin texture. In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on Nano Extra White Soap. This soap has been one of the most trending soap in Africa, and it's very good for all skin type. It's good for glowing the skin, it's good for brightening the skin, it's good for lightening the skin, and it has a very nice fragrance. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what Nano Extract soap is, and I'll also share with you guys who should use this Nano Extract soap, and I'll dive deep into it and share with you guys some few ingredients that I use to formulate this soap. I'll share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin and also how you can use it very well to achieve the exact results that you want. I'll share with you guys the original one and then the fake one. I'll share with you guys the side effect of not using nano extract soap very well. Nano extract soap is formulated with fruit extracts. Okay, it's very good for all skin type. A normal skin can use it, a dry skin can use it, an oily skin can also use it, a sensitive skin can also use it. In fact, everybody can use it, whether you are dark, you are fair, you are fairer, or you want to be extra fairer, you can use this nano extract soap. Now let's look at some few ingredients that are used to formulate nano extract soap. One, they've used pawpaw extract, they used a carrot extract, they use vitamin C extract or orange extract. They also use sodium hydroxide solution. They use fragrance, aqua, and other natural ingredients. These are ingredients from fruit extract and they are very good for the skin. Sometimes when a sensitive skin person uses nano extract soap, they react to it because of the ingredients that are used to formulate the soap. It's not everybody that likes pawpaw. It's not everybody that likes vitamin C or orange extract. But then, if you are a sensitive skin person and you notice any reaction on your skin when using nano extract soap, you should hold on or you should avoid it. Okay, the roles it plays on the skin is that it glows the skin, it brings out your natural glow, it's lightening the skin, it's brightening the skin, it clears dark spots on the skin, it removes acne on the skin. If you have issue with dark armpits, you have issue with dark inner thighs, you have sunburn on any part of your skin, or maybe your skin is uneven tone, when you use nano extract soap, it's going to improve your skin tone, it's going to clear all those skin problems on your face. It's very good for all skin type, as I said it earlier on, and it's a very good soap from Thailand. You know, Thailand, they normally produces quality soaps. Okay, so if you need a very good soap to use, you can grab this nano soap to use, and this is how you are supposed to use this nano soap. If you are the type with a tough skin or a dry skin, this is the best way you can use it. When you open your nano extract soap, just add a little water to it, apply it on the skin for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. First thing you will do before going to the bathhouse. Okay, then after that you rinse it off on the skin. Use the same soap on your sponge and use it to bath. You are supposed to use the soap morning and evening. If you have a dry skin and you use this nano soap, please can you try your best and get a moisturizer or a serum or any nice oil and used on your skin. And trust me, within some few months or some few weeks, it's going to bring out your even toned skin. Okay, it's very good for everybody, especially people with dark spots on your face. It clears severe dark spots and it makes the face very smooth also. Okay, now these are the side effects of not using nano extract soap well. You know, if you don't use this soap very well, you end up having sunburn on your skin, especially if you use it and you expose the skin under the sun. Secondly, due to some of the ingredients that are used to formulate this soap, you end up having irritations on your skin, and also it gives itches on your skin, and it gives rashes on your skin if you don't use it very well. It's very good for treating skin problems, it's very good for glowing the skin, it's very good for lightening the skin, it's very good for brightening the skin, but then you have to use it consistently. Don't use it and stop. Use it after you are done. You can even grab the whole pack, place it down, and be using it bit by bit. If you are patient when using it, trust me, it's going to bring out your natural glow. Nano soap is good for all skin type. Nano soap exfoliates the skin. That's why I said it earlier on that before you bath, you should please add water to the soap, apply it to the skin, and wait for some 20 minutes, 15 minutes before bathing. After that, just rinse it off, and you will notice that your skin has become very smooth. Your skin will become very soft. Okay, we have the fake one and we have the original one. So please, when you are buying it, check the box very well so that you grab the original one and use. And moreover, I also sell the original one as well. So if you need the original one, you can please send me a DM on Instagram at Latini Skincare. You can please also WhatsApp me on 027 159 4053. Nano soap is one of the best authentic soap you can grab in the market and use on your skin. If you want to glow your skin, you want to lighten your skin, you want to brighten your skin, or you want your skin to look very good on you, you can grab Nano Extract soap and use. It's good for all skin type, and it helps the skin to glow. So if you have ever used Nano Extract soap before, you can please share your review with me or with us. And if you don't understand anything, you can please ask a question. I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop review on any skincare products here, you will be the first to receive a notification from me. And to my return subscribers, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for always returning to my channel. I wish you a happy new year. Thank you so much. All I want